Go to blank presentation in slides. Here you have the blank presentation. Close themes. You'll have bigger screen to work with. Come down to file and page setup and select custom. Change the width to 11.5 and height to 8, that is A4 size. Apply and Control A and delete everything so that you have a blank canvas to work with. Go to insert shape and insert a rectangular shape. Now click on the shape and go to format options, size and rotation. Change the width and height of that box to fit this A4 size, but a little lesser than the size that we have selected for the page. That is, width has 10.5 and height is 7. Now set it in the center of the slide. Select the background color, go to background, and you can either select upload your picture or Google image search. Now I'm searching for a striped background and I selected this background. Change the color for the rectangle. Insert text box. Here is where you write the title. Circle the picture which has the same meaning as the word. So this is your worksheet title. And I gave the size 24 and I'm just resizing the text box, changing the font. I selected Oswald font and gave the size 24. I'm just keeping it at the center of the slide. Inserted the color to the shape, and now I'm going to insert a table. This table is 4 into 4, 4 rows and 4 columns. I selected the borders to be a little thicker. Now I'm taking a text box and inserting in each of the cell of the table. So this is the first cell of the table. There I'm inserting car. And I'm just formatting the text. I duplicated it, Control D to duplicate it. Now here I'm going to change the word. You need not format it every time. Once you format one word and you can duplicate it using Control D and you can paste it in the next box. So likewise I changed all the words. Now I'm going to insert the images. I'm going to insert 3 images, out of which one image will be correct, which the students will have to circle. Now I'm searching for bicycle. Go to insert and search the web, and I selected cycle. I resized it, placed it in one of the cell. Keep it a little smaller so that when the circle comes over it, it fits inside the circle. Now I'm searching for car, and you can search for car PNG, which will give you a clearer picture without any background. Now I'm searching for auto rickshaw. So I got 3 images, clear images without background. Now I'm selecting all 3, go to format options, click on drop shadow, so you can see like a shadow effect to each of the image. Now go to insert image, search the web. Now I'm going to search for apple. Likewise for orange and watermelon. Now I'm selecting all of these. Now you can see that there is a border to those pictures. So you can select them, go to border color and click on transparent. Now the border is gone. Now you can give the shadow effect, and I'm going to insert different images now for line. So I selected a cow, lion and a dog. So children or students will see these images, and looking at the word they will select one picture which represents the word. So now here it is B. So I'm giving them 3 options to choose from. And I've put PNG to all of the searches so that I get a picture without a background. That is a transparent picture. You can either write transparent or write PNG. Now I'm inserting my Bitmoji. I'm writing one instruction over here. Take this circle, and it's going to give me in the Bitmoji scene that I want. And that is my Bitmoji avatar, which I've selected for myself. If you want me to show how to create this Bitmoji avatar, please leave a comment down below and I will be very happy to show you that. Now I'm going to place it here, and I realized I haven't given the drop shadow, so I selected them and I gave the drop shadow. Now download this slide as an image, that is file, download, and download as PNG. So the file got downloaded. Now I'm going to insert another slide and insert the image that I have downloaded. This is because I don't want the students to make any changes to the background that I have created. So now we have this as an image which the students cannot move or change. So we are safe with that. And insert, and I want to insert the shape for the ring or the circle that the children will use to place it on the picture. And I'm just placing it on, just hovering over each of the images to check whether the images are inside that circle, or rather oval. Now I'm clicking the color to be transparent and the border to be black and a little thicker, so that when I take it over a picture it is transparent. And now I'm clicking on Ctrl D to duplicate them 4 times because I want 4 circles for each of the word, and I placed it there. So now when you send it to the students, they will have to select the circle and place it on the images. So make a copy of this. It's always good to make a copy of your slides in case somebody edits it. You will have another original copy with you. So this is the file that you will be sending it to the children.